Hello everyone. Today I've prepared a recipe where vegetables are rolled in beef belly, grilled, and then dipped in a refreshing soy sauce. Cut the vegetables into pieces about the length of your thumb. You can use paprika instead of carrots, or feel free to add any other vegetables you like. Separate the clustered enoki mushrooms. Cut the enoki mushrooms in half and neatly place them on top of the beef belly slices. Then add the other vegetables. Wrapping enoki mushrooms with big green onion makes it easy to roll them into a compact shape. You can also use orange marmalade and lemon juice mixed together instead of Yuja Cheong. Stir well until the sugar is completely dissolved. The fat from the beef belly is sufficient, so do not add extra oil. Cook the meat slowly over low heat, flipping it occasionally until cooked through. If you prefer tender meat, cook it just until it turns golden brown. If you like crispy meat, cook it until it is as crispy as bacon. Why not try Usamgyeop Yachae Maligui, a grilled beef belly and vegetable wrap that transforms affordable beef belly into a gourmet experience with its refreshing sauce and medley of textures. Don't just dip the Usamgyeop Yachae Maligui into the sauce and eat them. Instead, soak them evenly in the sauce to fully absorb the flavors before enjoying.